A margin call is one of the most dreaded concepts in the Forex market, and for good reason. This critical moment can determine the survival of your trading account. But what exactly is a margin call? Why does it occur, and how can you avoid it? A. Margin call happens when the equity in your trading account falls below the minimum level required to keep your open positions active. In simple terms, it's an alert issued by your broker to inform you that your available margin is insufficient to cover your current losses. If you don't take immediate action, such as adding funds to your account or closing some positions, the broker may automatically liquidate your trades to mitigate the risk of further losses. To understand it better, let's explore how margin works in trading. When you trade using leverage, you only need a fraction of the total trade value to open a position. This initial deposit is called margin. However, leverage magnifies both profits and losses. If the market moves against you, and your losses exceed the available margin, a margin call is triggered. A common mistake among novice traders is over-leveraging. Leverage may seem attractive because it allows you to control large positions with minimal capital, but it also increases the likelihood of hitting a margin call if trades are poorly managed. To avoid a margin call, it's essential to have a robust risk management strategy. First, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders to cap your losses and ensure that your free margin is sufficient to withstand adverse market movements. Another crucial tip is to monitor your account's margin level consistently. Most trading platforms display your available margin and the percentage of margin used. If this percentage approaches the limit, it's a sign that you need to adjust your positions or deposit additional funds. Diversifying your trades is equally important. Avoid concentrating your capital on a single currency pair or strategy. Diversification reduces the impact of a significant loss and helps maintain a healthy account balance. Finally, remember that trading is not gambling. Discipline. Following your trading plan and managing your emotions are key factors in avoiding a margin call. While it can be a stressful experience, it's also a valuable lesson that underscores the importance of risk management in the Forex market.